Brielle. Brielle, which one are you going to open? Which one? That one? Do you want Daddy to help you with it? Okay, can you rip it? No? You done with that one? What's in there? Oh, you got that paper. Can you shake it? Shake, 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 shake. Shake, shake. Oh, it's the least exciting gift in the pile. Yay! It's pajamas. The paper's more exciting anyways. Have her do the big box underneath next.
Look.
Pajamas! Yay! Can you give them a hug and a kiss? Oh, give it a kiss. Thank you, pajamas. Okay.
This one?
Yeah, that one. You have another one that's big. Let's see what's next. Oh, Brielle, you have another one. Yeah, let's do that one. You're getting the hang of it. Okay, rip, rip. It's Christmas! Oh, big rips. Good job. Okay, do it again. You like the paper? Oh, yay! It's kind of taped. Daddy's going to have to help you with that part. Who's in there? Who's in there? Who is it? Brielle, can you open them? Does she look amused at all? She's like, yeah, this paper's more interesting. You want to see Moo now?
Razzle dazzle.
Brielle. Oh.
Look at these people from the TV.
Bree baby. Bree baby. Oh. Yay! Can you shake them? Shake a shake. Yay! Do you like them? Oop. Okay, say bye.